All right, we're here with this week's shop update. It's Friday. We're having some snacks, some treats, and we got a treat to show you. We don't have a lot of new products this week. In fact, we don't have any new products, but we have something that's very, very exciting that you're all going to want to see. We've been waiting to reveal the news, but the date is finalized. All right. So this is the Spawn parking lot for those of you that haven't been here, and we now share the parking lot with Ilwaco Cider Company. This is coming on the 29th. They did a couple soft openings. Parking lot was packed, people everywhere coming into the fly shop. This is going to be an awesome opportunity for you to come over to Ilwaco, have a couple drinks, and then come inside and get yourself a nice new kayak or a new rod or some waders, anything you want. But we're going to have it here. They're going to be there. It's going to be a ton of fun. On the 29th, that's their grand opening. It's going to be really cool. And on that day, Grundens will also be here at the fly shop. They'll be giving away some cool stuff. We'll be launching the brand on the 29th. Everything about it is going to be a ton of fun. They might be getting a ban. I don't know yet. Pete and I are back and forth with the ownership over there. But it, all in all, is going to be a great event. And there's going to be a lot of people. So if you like ciders, you like fly fishing, there's no better reason to come to Ilwaco.
Go to boy! Alright, so now let's talk fishing real quick. We did not get out and fish this week. Why? Because this is Southwest Washington. We are known for getting a rain shower or two. And we decided to go ahead and put all of them together and get it over with last weekend, so it don't. Tons of rain, measurable in inches, not conducive to good fishing. However, we did have some folks stop in on Monday and let them know the conditions of the river, so they did the smart thing, which was still water fishing, and they slammed it. We're talking a big number of fish that they put in the net, had a blast, all that good stuff. And why is that important? Just so you guys know, yep, we got some really great weather in the forecast. And so this is the time, plan a trip, come see us, come see Ilwaco. But let's say that odd shower or whatever happens to pop up, we still have options for you to go catch fish, even if it's not necessarily in the river or out on the big water. We'll send you to the little water. You'll still have a great time. Still worth coming to Southwest Washington. And that's all we have for you guys this week. We hope you enjoyed. We sure do appreciate all your support. But if you could do us a favor, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you guys next week.